Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install a valve stem into a tire without breaking the bead of the tire. It's actually pretty easy, and I found a way to do it without having to go buy the actual tool to do it. So I just got a funnel from the store. It was like $1.99 or something. Then I just cut it off. So the valve stem can fit into it. I actually have two different ones. Then fit into it like that. And what we're gonna do is set this in the hole. Then you'll get your valve stem puller, and you'll screw it on. Then you'll lube it up with just some soap or whatever. Put it inside of this. Put it on there. Take a hammer to it, and it'll hit it right in. So then you just wanna, I screwed one of these little things onto it. Then you just wanna hit it with a hammer up here, and it'll slide in, and see how it's in. And you want this little plastic piece from the funnel to fit pretty good over that hole, so the valve stem will go in. And then you just want to pull it out like regular valve stem, and just screw this off. And you're done. Fill it up with air. The only thing I struggled with was getting this to fit in.